Okay, so today I'm trying to see how to work on a Chromebook. If you hit the plus sign, and I want a turtle, my student just picked it out, we're just going back through. You hit enter. He picked out the Ninja Turtle, so where is that? Okay. So that. Now I go to change the size all the time, but you can't. Come down here to the ruler and make sure this is locked. That's unlocked. This is locked. So I only want it to be an inch big. That way it's small. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it over here. And ta-da, now I'm ready to cut. But before I can cut it, I have to come over here and do enter settings. And I want to engrave. And I want to go to manual. And now number of passes, focus height. I don't really know what I'm doing here. So I'm going to go with 16. No, let's not go that high. Let's go 12 and see how that works. Lines per inch, number of passes, auto, blah, blah, blah. Once this is done, we put it back. It's engraving, it's not cutting, scoring, or ignoring. My turtle is going to be here. Oh no! Just Control Z will undo that. If I want to move it, per se, right here, because this is what my actual image looks like in the Glowforge, and now I'm going to hit print. You have no artwork in the printed area. So everything I just did might have been wrong. I'm not quite sure, but it's blue, so I'm pretty sure that's ready to go. Over here, it's 15, 225, auto, number of passes, let's hit print, and it worked. Okay, here's my blank template. I've already sent the document, so now I'm going to hit the blue button, and it's going to start. Here you go. Start. Ooh, that's going to go deeper than the other one. Okay, here is the turtle. On my screen it says print done. I can dismiss and keep it going. Okay, that's a little deeper than this one.
What is that?